Former Law Minister Anisul Haque and former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's advisor Salman F. Rahman were produced before the CMM court in Dhaka on Wednesday in connection with the murder case filed in connection with the death of a hawker in clashes surrounding the quota reform movement. After the resignation and departure of Sheikh Hasina in the face of the mass uprising of the students, the leaders of Awami League and its ally and fraternal organizations went into hiding. Former ministers, government officials and people holding various important positions of the state are also in the list of absconding. Some of them are being arrested. 6 prominent people have been arrested in Dhaka so far after the fall of Sheikh Hasina's government on August 5. Among them are former ministers and political leaders. Apart from this, there is also a newly discharged army officer. 2 of the 6 were also reported to have been detained at the airport a few days before their departure, although later their arrest is shown from a different location. In this situation, the question arises, where are the arrested people being arrested? However, the army has not yet officially informed about the level of people who have received shelter. As a result, it is not clear how anyone in custody will be brought under the law if a criminal case is filed against them. Journalists questioned Army Chief Wakaru Zaman in Rajshahi Cantonment on August 13 regarding the taking of the minister's MPs of the ousted Awami League government into military custody. In response, he said, "If anyone's life is in danger, irrespective of religion, caste, of course we have given them shelter. If there is any complaint against them, there is a case, they will definitely be punished. But of course we don't want extrajudicial acts, attacks. We have given them shelter for the threat to their lives. Whatever party, whatever opinion, whatever religion, we will do it." However, the army has not yet officially informed about the level of people who have received shelter. As a result, it is not clear how anyone in custody will be brought under the law if a criminal case is filed against them. The police claimed that these 3 were arrested while hiding from Nikunj residential area of Kilkit police station. The Directorate of Inter-Services Public Relations was asked about the matter yesterday. They said the army chief had spoken about this earlier, so they have no separate statement on this. Former Law Minister Anisul Haque and former advisor on private industry and investment to the ousted Prime Minister Salman F. Rahman were the first to be arrested. The Dhaka Metropolitan Police DMP informed on August 13 that these 2 were arrested by the Newmarket police station from the Sadargat area of the capital Dhaka, all fleeing by water on the basis of confidential information. However, it is claimed from various sources that Anisul Haque and Salman F. Rahman were arrested earlier. The arrest was shown later. Now the whole situation is unusual. That's why some such incidents are happening. However, for the sake of the case, for the sake of fair trial, every aspect of the arrest of the accused and the seizure of evidence must be carefully looked at. On August 14, DMP reported the arrest of former Deputy Speaker Shamsul Haq Tuku, former Minister of State for Posts, Telecommunications and Information Technology Junaid Ahmed Palak and General Secretary of Dhaka University Chhatra League Tanveer Hassan Saikat in the case of Paltan Police Station. The police claimed that these 3 were arrested while hiding from Nikunj residential area of Kilkit police station. However, on August 6, the day after the fall of Sheikh Hasina's government, Junaid Ahmed Palak went to Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport in Dhaka with 2 of his personal officers to leave the country. At that time, he was detained in immigration custody without being allowed to board the plane, and the news was also circulated in the media. On the same day, Dhaka University Chhatra League General Secretary Tanveer Hassan Saikat and Dhaka Metropolitan North Chhatra League General Secretary Riaz Mamu were detained at the airport. Since then, it is not known where they were. Palak and Saikat were arrested 8 days later, but Riaz's whereabouts are still unknown. Multiple calls and text messages to the Deputy Commissioner of Media and Public Relations at DMP did not get a response. Major General Zia Lawson, who was recently discharged from the army, was arrested on August 16. He was last Director General of National Telecommunication Monitoring Center (NTMC), the National Telecommunication Monitoring Body. At 1:54 p.m. on August 16, DMP told the media that he was arrested late on August 15 from Kilkit area of Dhaka on the basis of secret information in a case of Newmarket police station. Later, at 8:35 p.m., The DMP gave an amendment saying that Ziaul Hussain took refuge in the army due to the fear of disturbing his personal security, and the army members handed him over to the police on the night of August 15. In view of this, he was arrested. Although Ziaul Hussain was produced in the court and the remand application was filed, the police said that on August 16, he was arrested from Kilkit police station area, which is 300 feet from the capital. To find out about this yesterday on Saturday, Dhaka Metropolitan Police DMP Commissioner's mobile phone was called 5 times, but could not be contacted. Apart from this, when contacted with 3 more senior officials of DMP, they expressed their inability to speak on the matter. Repeated calls and text messages to the Deputy Commissioner of Media and Public Relations, DMP, went unanswered. Later I talked about this with former Inspector General of Police Noor Mohammed. He told Prof Amalo, now the whole situation is unusual. That may be why some such incidents are happening. However, for the sake of the case, for the sake of fair trial, every aspect of the arrest of the accused and seizure of evidence should be carefully looked at.